the seniority gap is something that can accumulate because you get all these amazing people in the company, but they want to work for Facebook, not MySpace. So you start having retention problems when the narrative goes negative. So we start like bleeding talent and then it's also really hard to hire people for the same reasons. What you do in response typically is like you promote a lot of people internally, which is sort of good for them. It seems good for them in the short term because they're just getting a lot more authority and responsibility quickly. But it's a problem because suddenly people are solving problems through trial and error, things may be new to them that are not new to the industry. And suddenly, known knowns to the industry are like unknown unknowns to those leaders. Usually you can get around that by hiring a layer of experienced execs. But in the sort of talent wars of the late teens, any exec you talk to with any experience had like 5 offers from FANG companies for like 3 times the comp and a third of the workload. I think it's a dynamic you have to be careful of. Like, do we have the right balance of like, people who are like super high potential and talented, but doing their thing for the first time? Are they paired with people who have been there, done that? This is not the biggest job of their life, and that they can help those people up the learning curve faster, such that the aggregate learning curve or the aggregate learning rate of your company is what it needs to be.